Now I see there's a picture of a square right up there. That's a television, yeah. And I have other ideas in my head too. And we're gonna think about that a little bit today. But guess what? I have a square song. Wouldn't you know it? You want to learn it?
Yeah.
Okay. I have to use my words. A square is a box, a present you see. A square is a present. Happy birthday to me. Is that a silly song?
Yeah.
You want to try it again?
Yeah.
Okay, try and make a box with your hands when you do it. A square, okay? A square is a box, a present you see. A square is a present. Happy birthday to me. It's not really my birthday. And you know something else? This song said a square is a box. That's what's in my bag.
I love it, Carly.
If you know what this is, raise your hand. A square is a box. This is a box. Now wait a second. Look at all those sides. I'll show you. This is a square right here. This is a square right there. But kind of like our sphere, if there are this many sides,
Open it.
it's not a square. What did you say? It's a cube. So it's true. This shape right here, this very shape right here, should I color it? This shape right here is a square. So true. But when it has this many sides attached to it, there is something in there. It's a cube. It's a cube. I'm not going to tell you yet. It's exciting. Mega, aren't you excited to see what's inside this? Whoa, who can remember the name of this special one? Cube. Yes, and what's this green side called? A square. Now wait a second. This is what I was learning about squares. Now, I was looking at this earlier, and I said to myself, I see this sign. It looks kind of squarish to me. That's what I was wondering, Tejas. I was wondering if it was really a square. And we can tell if it's a square if all four sides, let's count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, if all four sides are the same length. And I am going to measure to see if this is a square because it's driving me crazy. I really want to know. All right, here's my measuring stick. How do you like it? Okay, so let's see. If we line this up very carefully, let's count them. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is 8 cubes long. 8 cubes long. Well, I don't think this is kind of an inch. We'll just call them cubes. I'm not sure if it's a complete inch. We'll test that later. But now let's try the bottom. Are you ready? Oh, thank you. Oh, I already can see. Look at that. Gonna count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness. So this is 8 cubes long. This is only 6 cubes long. It cannot be a square because if it's a square, every side will be the exact same number. Remember the name of this box?
Cube.
Very good. And what's this side called? Just one side? A square. Okay. And we know this why? Why do we know this is a square? What did we do to check? Measured it. When we measured it, do you remember what had to be the case on all four sides? They all had to be what?
Legos.
I didn't put Legos there. Where did I put Legos today?
On your neck.
On my neck. And guess what? It almost looks like a
Square.
well, look at
It's a cube.
kind of a cube. It's not. I measured it. It's not exactly a cube, but it's close. But I'm just pretending that this. We're only looking at the front bumpy part, and that's the square.
Can we look at it?
Yes, you can. Inside? Okay. Let's see. Who's sitting on the pocket? Oh, let's see. Oh my God. Come on up. I'm going to spell a fancy word.
That's it.
Can anyone guess what I'm going to spell?
Is.
Oh, that's a good guess. Why do you think that? Why do you think that I'm going to spell is, Charlie?
Because that's a popcorn word.
It is a popcorn word. And what letter is that?
S.
Charlie, what letter would I need to add to that word? To
I.
that? I. And that would spell is. Oh my gosh, good thinking, but look what I just did. Now what do you think I'm going to write? Anybody have any clues?
Q.
That's a Q. Do you see the start of this word omega? Can you stand next to the cat or the cat? Can you see? I'm wondering if you can tell me why I chose.
Square.
Oh, you got it. Why did I choose these to spell square?
Because it's square. It's square. Square.
What square, Ali?
Rectangle. E.
Rectangle.
E. Square. Square.
I just spelled the word square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Square. Okay, Magna.
I was so close.
Pick something. Oh.
A square. Square.
Wait a minute. Is that a square or not?
A square.
You think so?
Yeah.
Why do you think it's a square?
Because
What do you notice about it? How many sides does it have? How many sides are in a square? All right. Good job. Thank you, Mega. Oh, but, okay, Chase, dear, oh good, you're closing your eyes. Oh, what is that?
a heart.
There's a heart in the middle, but what is the outside shape? Can you tell me? What shape is this on the whole outside? Turn it this way. When you look at the black side, what shape is it?
Square.
A square. How do you know that? You're practicing it through the years? What, can you tell me something why you know for sure, even though you practice? Show all your friends. Why is it a square? Your dad told, well, your dad's not here right now, so how do you remember in here that it's a square?
My dad told me last night.
Oh, you reviewed the square shape? Okay, what makes a square? How many sides does a square need to have?
4. 6.
4? Does that have 4 sides? Count it.
1, 2, 3.
That's right. I like how you kept that still, so you made sure you counted the side only once. Okay, can you put that on here? Because guess what? It's a magnet. Well, he put that right at the end of our sentence. I went too far? Is this better?
Yes.
Oh, my. Wait a second. I think Kaden's head is giving us a show. Let's push this in just a smidge. There we go. Thank you, sweetheart. I see something very interesting. Let's